Today is the second day of my wedding, and we are here at home. Today, my heart overflows with joy. I can hardly put in words. And we are receiving the beautiful bride at home. Moment I have dreamed of and prayed for. It's a feeling beyond celebration. It is a fulfillment of a promise, the beginning of a lifetime. We will walk side by side. So, in few words, what I can say is that I'm over the moon. I'm so happy, and finally, my wife is here at home. Thank you.